bosses, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some of the products that I treated myself to on Valentine's Day from Makartt. But before we get started, I do want to tell you guys about some upcoming events that I have happening with Makartt that I am super excited about. So the first one is going to be taking place in Orange County, California. So if you're in the area, make sure that you stop by Beauty Zone Nail Supply. Again, that is going to be on March the 4th, and there's going to be music, free food. You're going to get to watch me and V do a live demonstration on some of Makartt's newest products, and then also the first 30 people get a free goodie bag, so you definitely don't want to miss it. And then on March 13 and 14, y'all, this is a lot of information, but on March 13 and 14, I'm going to be in Houston, Texas doing a nail class. It's going to be a 2-day class. It's going to be from about, I want to give you guys the right information. So it's going to be from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And in this class, we're basically going to be covering a little bit of everything. So acrylic application, shaping, nail art, and a few other topics as well. And then also this class is going to include your nail kit, which y'all, when I say I was amazed at how much is in this nail kit, like it literally comes with your nail drill, it comes with your UV light, and it's not even just like no cheap nail drill or nail light. You literally get the Makartt Flawless Pro lamp and e-file, which I literally use them all of the time. They're my absolute favorite. So the nail kit alone, y'all, it's definitely just worth it. So if you're in Houston, Texas, you want to make sure that you sign up for this class. Again, it's going to be March 13th and 14th. And it's also going to include, of course, your lunch. It's going to include a certificate, and you get to meet me. So I'm super excited about this class. And then on July 24th through the 27th, Makartt is hosting basically a summer camp, a nail summer camp. And y'all, like when I say I'm super excited about this one, because I've always thought about doing something like this, but for me to do it on my own, like it's just way too much. So I'm super excited for Makartt on doing this big event. And so basically it's going to be a 4-day 3-night event where you're going to be able to learn all about nails, like literally everything you need to know about nails. You're going to get a nail kit, and you're going to get to have some fun. It's going to include your meals, your room, and they have different packages that you can pick from. So I'll be sure to leave all of that information down below. I believe it's going to be 4 instructors, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 instructors. So I know it's going to be lots of fun. You're going to get to learn a lot, and basically just think of it as like a mini vacation / learning, you know. So you definitely can't go wrong with that. I know as a mom, and as just, I mean, not even just a mom, but just anybody, y'all, because I know I need the time off. Like this is definitely going to be a mini vacation for me as well, and I'm going to get to meet a lot of you guys. So I'm just really excited to be able to be a part of this. So I'll be sure to leave all of the information down below to all of those events. Again, if you're able to make it, make sure that you RSVP or that you sign up to the classes. The one in Orange County, California on March the 4th, that one is a free event. All you have to do is just make sure that you RSVP, just to make sure that we know about how many people are coming. But again, there is going to be a free goodie bag if you're one of the first 30 people to come. I've done an event like this with Makartt in New York, and where else? I know New York for sure. Was it LA? No, Tampa. In Tampa, and it was really exciting. There was literally a line of people outside. They had music going on, and then we got to do the live demonstration of Makartt's newest products. So I definitely cannot wait to see you guys there. But that's it. So I think that's all of, those are the 3 most recent events that I'm going to be a part of. So hopefully there's more to come. So make sure that, again, you check out the description box for all of that information. But anyways, up next we're going to be doing the unboxing. So I'm not actually sure what's in what box, but we're just gonna go ahead and open them up. Like I said, I decided to treat myself on Valentine's Day. I had a gift card that's literally been sitting in my email for the longest, and so I'm like, okay, like why not go ahead and use it? It's Valentine's Day. So the first thing that we have, and I've been meaning to get these, but they're always like sold out. And actually, like a few of the ones that I wanted were sold out. So these were two of the ones that I was able to get. But these are the nail plumper. If you'll focus. But I'll be sure to, of course, turn the camera around so you guys can see. But I got two of these, and I wanted to get like the really, really light pink colors. So I got the shade Centerpiece, and I got the shade Valor, if I'm not mispronouncing it. But y'all, these colors are so pretty. So I seen how these are basically applied with, and actually have them right here. So these are actually like, you use these as a base for the pump ups, which are basically like press on nails. So I have like the stiletto, the square, and the coffin pump ups, and I've been really wanting to get some of these, but like I said, they're always sold out. So I was finally able to at least get two of them. I wanted the whole set, but I mean, you know, I had to do what I could at the time. So up next we have, oh, okay, I knew that's what it was. So we have the dual form. So I've been wanting to do a set of polygel nails. I know I don't do a lot of polygel here on my YouTube channel. I don't even know if, I think I do have maybe one or two videos using polygel, but I want to do an updated video. So I wanted to get the longer dual forms, and then I think the ones that I have are like the curved ones, and I don't like those, so I wanted to get some straight ones. I'm not sure if they had coffin. I think they did, but they were sold out. But I ended up just getting the square ones, and these come with 120 pieces, and it's 12 different sizes. So that is what they look like. So definitely super excited to use them because, like I said, y'all, I've like been meaning to do a polygel video for the longest. But up next, I have the subscription box, which is Your Nail Lab box. I actually had my own that launched actually a year ago. So mine actually came with like some nail art products and some acrylics. I actually have it up there, but it was some nail tips, some bling, some pink acrylic. Basically, like, it was me in the box. So if you guys didn't know, Makartt actually has their subscription box, which is actually called Your Nail Lab, but it is a subscription box that you can sign up for, and you pay a monthly fee, and you get a box with nail supplies, so you don't exactly know what you're getting, but it's definitely worth the price. Because I don't know about y'all, but I love surprises. So I kind of like not knowing what I'm gonna get, but knowing that I'm gonna get something. Like, I like having something to look forward to. So this is actually the February box, and they have one every month, and they do have different prices. So depending on how much you get, you'll get like different things in your box. So this box actually comes with some acrylic powder. It is their 2-ounce jars. So this one is in the shade Rose Stained. Definitely looks like it's a really pretty pink color. We also have some little clear flowers. Y'all, and I'm like super shaky. I don't know why, but like my anxiety kind of kicked in earlier. I just, but next we have some polygel in the shade Rose. Maybe I'll be using this one with the dual forms. And then we got, oh, this is really cute. So it's like some glitter. It's some glitter, and it's like little flowers and hearts and some bunnies, and they're like a rose gold, pinkish and gold color. Definitely a really pretty combination. And this is in the, I don't know if it'll be shade because it's glitter, but it's called Pink Lady. And then up next we have some gel polishes. And y'all, when I say Makartt's gel polishes, are so good. Like, they're so pigmented and they're definitely super affordable. So we have a red one, which is called Make Out. It's basically like a reddish, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it really well, but it's like a red glitter. Really, really pigmented. Then we have, the shade Foxy, and I believe that this is like a glow in the, not glow in the dark, y'all, but it's like a temperature or like mood change gel polish, but it's red. Super pretty. Can't wait to swatch them. And then we have a liner, I was gonna say liner gel polish. And this one, oh, this is so pretty. So it's like a rose gold color, and it's glitter as well. Super pretty. And then lastly we have another set of pump ups, and these are the stiletto ones. So I'm not exactly sure which box this is, but like I said, I'll be sure to leave the link down below as well as a promo code. But depending on how much you pay each month, you'll get different stuff in your box. So definitely can't wait to, like I said, I'll probably be using this rose color polygel with the dual forms that I got. But up next we have, and I'm super excited about this one, y'all, because it's very well needed. Very, very well needed. So this is, I'll just wait to show you guys. So this is their Symphonee dust collector. Y'all, when I say I've been wanting this for a long time, and I'm just now getting it, because I used to have the old Makartt dust collector. I don't even know how long it's been out, but it was probably like their first or one of their first dust collectors. So this one is one of the newer versions, but it is a rechargeable dust collector. Again, it is the Symphonee one, and it does have adjustable, I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have the adjustable suction speed, powerful and versatile. It has a USB output charging port. It's nail tech approved, whisper quiet operation, and reusable dust filter. So I definitely cannot wait to test it out. Like I said, I have the older version of it, and I can't wait to see how good this one is, because y'all, like, just being honest with you guys, like, I've tried quite a few different dust collectors, and I know that none of them are gonna be just like perfect to where they suck in like all of the dust, but I definitely do feel like they all still work really well, because they just basically keep the dust out of my face. Because if you're ever working and you're not using a dust collector or anything, you literally can see all that dust going into your face. So with these dust collectors, like, even if it doesn't completely suck up all of the dust, I know for a fact that it's still keeping it out of my face and out of my lungs, which is what I care most about. But so I'm definitely super excited to see how it's going to perform. But of course, when I open it up, it comes with the little instruction manual. Let's see, it's basically just telling you what it comes with. It's telling you the different parts of the dust collector, and yeah, so pretty self-explanatory. But this is what, if I can get it out, so this is what it looks like. Pretty small and compact. Oh, I just turned it on. So definitely not too loud at all. I used to have one, I can't remember what brand it was, but I used to have one that's like super loud, y'all. Like, so whenever I used to do like my nail videos, I wouldn't even turn it on because it was so loud. So this one definitely is not loud at all. It does have the little knob on the side where you can turn the speed up and down. So that's the loudest it gets. And then I'm turning it down. So I can definitely tell that it's powerful. I mean, it does get a little loud, but like I said, I'd rather it just be able to suck all that dust in than for me to be breathing it in. So I do love the fact that it is rechargeable. I really like how they've been making literally everything rechargeable. Like nowadays, like it's definitely a must. Like the other day I realized how convenient it was when I was doing my toes and I had the UV lamp, and I think I took it into the living room, and just being able to take it in there and not have to worry about plugging it in or nothing, definitely super convenient. Same thing with the e-file. But I am going to be trying it out, and then I also am going to be swatching the gel polishes and showing you everything up close and personal. So we're going to go ahead and switch this over to the nail table. So the first thing we're going to be swatching is the nail Plumper. So this one is in the shade Valor, and y'all, when I say both of these colors were absolutely beautiful, they're literally like the perfect shade of like pink, light pink. But up next we have the nail lap box. So we have the red gel polish, we have the mood one, and this one, y'all, is really pretty. That's what it looked like when it's cold. This is what it looked like when it's warm. And then we have the liner. I absolutely love this rose gold color, so I just did a quick little design using it, which was really pretty. And this one is in the shade Buttercup. So again, this is a nail liner. Next we have the polygel in the shade Rose. I absolutely loved this shade of pink. I just love how they made everything in this box pink, of course because of Valentine's Day. So the shade was beautiful. Up next, we have the color Rose Stain, which is this beautiful translucent pink acrylic. It went on really good. As you guys can see, definitely super buttery. And even though it's translucent, the color was very intense and it's just literally flawless. So again, this is Rose Stain. Up next we have the dust collector. So this is what it looks like. So I took the filter off just to kind of show you guys what it looked like. Here is where you plug it in at, and then here is the knob. And then I went ahead and used it. I'm just removing the acrylic from this nail. You can barely tell, but literally it is collecting the dust. It's going right on top of the dust collector. Wanted to give you guys another view, so I am basically still doing the same thing, just removing the acrylic, and it's definitely catching like probably 95% of the dust. It's a little bit on my shirt, but other than that, it's all on the dust collector. So definitely give it about a 9 out of 10 for sure. But of course, I'll keep you guys updated as I use it. Alrighty, y'all. So that was it for this unboxing video. I absolutely loved everything that I got. Super excited to keep using my dust collector. Like I said earlier, y'all, I feel like it don't matter what dust collector it is. I feel like, you know, they're not gonna all get every single particle of dust, but it's gonna get a lot of it, and it's just gonna keep it out of your lungs, which is what we want. We want to take care of our health as nail techs. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave all of the links to everything. I think I already said this, but I'm gonna leave everything linked down below, as well as the classes. And if you're able to make it, I definitely cannot wait to see you. And if you don't make it this time, maybe next time you will be able to. And I hope I get to go to a lot of other states with Makartt. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.